Hi boys and girls, thank you so much for watching this video. I want to show you this pictograph and just kind of remind you of some of the things that we learned in class. I'm going to say a secret word sometime in the middle, and if you listen to this secret word and you come to class and you can tell me that secret word, you will get a prize for the way that you worked hard and you listened and you followed along. Okay, let's get started. Let's read the problem first, and we're going to read it 2 times for clarification. I'm going to get my pen out so that I can underline, circle, show my strategies. Denzel is working on the graph shown below. He knows that 18 of his DVDs are sports DVDs. How many more DVDs does Denzel need to add to sports to finish the graph? Before we move on and read again, I found something really important, and I hope you also remember that how many more telling us to subtract. Okay, let's read again. Denzel is working on the graph shown below. He knows that 18 of his DVDs are sports DVDs. Okay, so what I'm going to do for myself is I'm going to come over, I'm going to circle sports. The whole question is asking me about sports. How many more DVDs does Denzel need to add to sports to finish the graph? Okay, now let's start counting. Well, first let's look at the key. Okay, so what they didn't write for us, but we need to always look out for, is the key. Each CD picture means 3 DVDs. So let's go ahead and let's count. And since you already know how to skip count by 3s, we could say 3 plus 3 more would be 6, plus 3 more is 9. So right now we have 9 total DVDs. But the question says, how many more DVDs does Denzel need to add to his sports to finish the graph? I'm going to go back to my problem and see what will finish his graph. He knows that 18 of his DVDs are sports DVDs. So 9 total, and we can write the word currently. That means as it is right now, we've only got 9. But by the end, we need to show 18 DVDs. Now, if we're counting by 3s, let's say that we can subtract 18 minus 9 to figure out how many short we are. Remember the how many more over here at the very beginning? We could use subtraction. 8 minus 9 can't do it, so I'm going to go next door to my neighbor and ask to borrow 10 more. So he's like, okay, fine, you can borrow. This 10, because he's giving it away to the ones place, becomes a 0. My 8 becomes 18 because we have added 10 more. 18 minus 9 is 9. So he needs 9 more DVDs. Now, I'm surprised they didn't give us a trick answer. I'm surprised that one of these options over here is not 9, because I'm sure some children might accidentally make the mistake, but not you guys. Okay, so that means we have 9 DVDs until we get to the end. We need 9 more. But if we go back to the key, it says that each CD will represent 3 DVDs. And look, how cool is this? We already skip counted by 3s, and we figured out that 3 CDs should represent 9 total DVDs. So if we add 3 more, oh, that's not very good. It's kind of hard to write with this pen. Okay, so let's count by 3s again. 3, 6, 9. And if we were to add up 369 plus 369 again, or 9 plus 9, I should say, I'm going to cross the others out. 9 plus 9, well, it should get us back to 18, because remember, not 18 minus 9 was 9, so let's do the opposite. 9 plus 9 should give me 18. Woohoo! So if you were already thinking it before Miss Dean even got there, and you in your brain circled 3, congratulations. keyword is DVD. So to answer the question, how many more DVDs does Denzel need to add to sports to finish the graph? The answer was 3. Way to go, boys and girls. Very, very proud of you.